Hello friends, welcome to Daily PT Pointers in which we will discuss the important headlines of the day for October 7th. Our first topic is related to बिहार कास्ट सर्वे डेटा. ये टॉपिक द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर में आया था और पॉलिटी सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. सो द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑन फ्राइडे refused to stay the Bihar government from publishing data collected from its caste-based survey. Justice Khanna said that the cardinal issue was how much breakdown of data would be made available to the general public for the sake of transparency. The court further dismissed the notion that the compilation and publication of data affects privacy. It said that privacy is not an issue as names etc are not published. इस टॉपिक को हमने न्यूज एंड व्यूज सेक्शन में कवर किया हुआ है, तो आप उसको एक बार देख सकते हैं. हमारा अगला टॉपिक नोबेल पीस प्राइज से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर एज वेल एज इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में आया था और अवार्ड सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. द इरानियन imprisoned activist Nargis Mohammadi won the Nobel Peace Prize of 2023 in the recognition of her tireless campaigning for women's rights and democracy and against the death penalty. The Nobel laureate has kept her activism despite numerous arrests by Iranian authority and spending years behind bars. She has remained a leading light for nationwide women-led protests sparked by the death last year of a 22-year-old woman in police custody. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक सिंगरेनी कोलियरीज से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर में आया था और पॉलिटी एंड गवर्नेंस सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. इन अ मेजर रिलीफ टू तेलंगाना, द यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स हैज रूल्ड दैट सिंगरेनी कोलियरीज कंपनी belongs to Telangana. The union ministry's recent communication to the government of the two Telugu states, that is Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, brings to an end the stalemate prevailing over the division of assets pertaining to the SCCL between the two states. The Telangana state government has been informed that the company belonged to it on the basis of location, and this has been confirmed by the Attorney General. The Andhra Pradesh government has raised objection to the Attorney General's opinion. It wanted to conclude that SCCL was an interstate company. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक एम्फीबियन से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर में आया था और इन्वायरमेंट सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. सो अ न्यू पेपर एनालाइजिंग 2 decades of data from around the world has found that climate change is emerging as one of the biggest threats to frogs, salamanders and cecilians. The study titled Ongoing Declines for the World's Amphibians in the Face of Emerging Threats was published on October 4 in the scientific journal Nature. The report evaluated the extinction risk of more than 8,000 amphibian species from all over the world, including 2,286 species evaluated for the first time. And the data revealed that 2 out of every 5 amphibians are threatened with extinction. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव न्यूक्लियर टेस्ट बैन ट्रीटी से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में आया था और इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. सो अ डे आफ्टर इंडिकेटिंग दैट रशिया माइट रिवोक इट्स ratification of the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, that is CTBT, the President Vladimir Putin said on Friday that the country would do so to be on level terms with the United States and not to resume nuclear testing. The CTBT is a multilateral treaty that bans all nuclear explosions, whether for military or peaceful purposes. Although the treaty was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 1996, it is still in the ratification stage, as 18 countries are yet to ratify it. While the Russia ratified the agreement in 2000, the US is still to do so. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक मनी बिल से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में आया था और पॉलिटी एंड गवर्नेंस के लिए रेलिवेंट है. द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया said on Friday that a 7-judge bench will soon be set up to hear a batch of pleas challenging the centre's use of money bill route to pass certain key legislations. If we talk about money bill, Article 110 of the Constitution deals with money bill. A money bill can only be introduced in Lok Sabha and does not need the consent of Rajya Sabha. According to Article 110, Clause 3 of the Constitution, if any question arises whether a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the speaker shall be the final. However, the court in the Aadhaar case had said that the speaker's decision will be subject to judicial scrutiny. So friends, ये आज के हमारे इंपॉर्टेंट हेडलाइंस ऑफ द डे थे. फॉर मोर अपडेट्स ऑन करंट अफेयर्स यू कैन फॉलो अस ऑन आवर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स. थैंक यू.